Hello, guys. Well, today is a special day, and it's not just a special day for one person, it's a special day for every mothers out there. How are you today, guys? And how is your day going? How have you been? And to all mothers that are listening and watching us, I wish you a happy Mother's Day. Today is a great day and a special day for all mothers in the world. Though it is internationally recognized that today will be Mother's Day, but it's something that we should always celebrate every day. We should celebrate the mothers that gave birth to us, the one that has been there for us, and we should also celebrate all mothers because they really deserve it. And there's a lot of celebrities, actors and actresses has gone to their social media page to congratulate their mothers, wish their mothers happy Mother's Day, and to also congratulate themselves who are mothers also and wish themselves happy Mother's Day. And today I will be talking about Toyin Abraham. As today is a very special day, she went to her Instagram page to share a picture of her mother and her mother-in-law, wishing them happy Mother's Day, saying that my mothers, showing them love and a hand of prayer. Yes, wishing them a happy Mother's Day. And it's something that we should all do for our mothers because it's not really easy giving birth to a child, raising and nurturing that child to the very stage where the child is able to fend for himself or herself. And also, you can't just leave that child alone. You have to go to extreme length to still be there for that child as a mother. Now, I guess that Toyin Abraham did not only celebrate her mother alone, she also celebrated her mother-in-law. And I can say that, in fact, this Toyin Abraham has been doing a lot for her mother-in-law and also for her mothers. I think I do not believe that Toyin Abraham's mother is 74 years old, and she looks like someone she looks young. Yeah, she looks young. She looks like a young woman, and she has been celebrating her mothers almost every day, apart from Mother's Day, which is today. But today, she still went ahead to post a picture of her mother and her mother-in-law, and also her husband was not left out as they both shared pictures and also congratulated their mother. And Toyin Abraham went ahead, congratulated her mother a lot and her mother-in-law, saying that the woman behind her success, that her mother is the woman behind her success. And she said that her mom is golden, that if not for her mother, she's not sure maybe she would be here today. And Kolawole Ajeyemi, who is Toyin Abraham's husband, also went ahead to congratulate these mothers on this Mother's Day. And he also said a lot of things about them, saying if not for their prayers and their support, he is not sure maybe he would be where he is today. He also called mothers a woman of women of dignity. He said that if you call him, there was a time he released a statement on his Instagram page, and he said that if you call me husband of the old women, I won't deny it. That it is a blessing to have great mothers, and the fact that they pray for him always is a sure victory all the time. He also said that just like the moon and the sun, that they are worth more than gold. That women, that mothers are women of dignity, and they are not something that you should just take with levity. They are something that you should cherish for their entire life. And Toyin Abraham did not only celebrate herself, but she also went to her Instagram page and posted her stepdaughter and her son and said happy Mother's Day to her. She congratulated herself that now that she knows how it feels to be a mother, she really is not sparing anything to congratulate her mothers for this perfect opportunity they gave her, for giving birth to her and making her who she is today, because without them she would not have been who she is today. And also she celebrated other women that are in the world, other mothers in the world. And since she experienced what it's called to be what it entails to be a mother, she has been doing a lot of things for mother, and she's like, she did not even think maybe this person is a mother or not. The same love she shares for her mother is the same thing she gives to her mother-in-law, and she's ready to do anything for her mother-in-law just to show how much she loves And also even on our mother-in-law's birthday, she spent some monies and some cash just to celebrate this Mother's Day to celebrate our mother-in-law's birthday rather. And and that day was also the birthday of our stepdaughter's birthday, which she celebrated for her also, and she celebrated them together. She shared a video of the two of them, that is her stepdaughter and her mother-in-law, congratulated them and wished them a happy birthday. And now it's time for the mother-in-law's wishes, and she wished them a happy birthday. She wished her mother-in-law and her mother happy birthday. Like, she's just this kind of person that is ready to embrace everyone around her and everything associated with her, and she's not even ready to tamper with the mother's love that she gets every day. We all know that our mothers play a great role in the life of a child, and to every mother that is present, and those of you that still have mothers, it's high time you go to your mothers and congratulate them, cherish them a lot. And it's not something you do in a day, you do it every day, just to know that they did not spend their youth wasting time on a child, but they really did something that is good. And Toyin Abraham has not failed to show love to her mother, since she now has a son of her own, and she now experienced the joy of motherhood and how it really feels like to raise a child by yourself, as in with your husband does. But she now understands how it feels to raise a child, to have a child, the pain and the joy, in fact everything that is included in this motherhood of a teen. She has now experienced it and knows how it feels like. In fact, she's just someone that she is really a great person, and also she also wanted to tell everyone that her mother is also a great person. She's ready to show the world her mother and say that her mother still looks youthful after the age of 74, and that woman is just that she still looks young and pretty, and that she does not look her age at all. She has spent every chance she got to spread the picture of her mother, to just show the world that this is her mother. She's not covering it at all, and she's not in fact she did not even feel like, okay, my mother is not this thing, but she's still in fact loves her mother. In fact, a mother is something that you can never ever replace. And also she also cherishes her mother-in-law. She even posted a video and said that her mother-in-law is the best ever, which is something that very rare, because we know this is our Yoruba destiny. Though it's something that we are all trying, yes, a lot of people, and it's not that trending anymore, but they used to spread this thing that the relationship between a wife and a mother-in-law is something that is not always great. It's only if you are blessed by God to have the best mother-in-law in the world, and Toyin Abraham is part of the people that is blessed with the best mother-in-law, and her mother-in-law is also blessed to have her. Anyways, happy Mother's Day to all mothers out there, and celebrating Mother's Days, and also to grandmothers, or in fact all women in the world. Happy Mother's Day to you, and I hope you get to celebrate it in a grand style. Share these wishes with your loved ones. Send it to your mothers, and send it to all women that you know have a child. Celebrate them all together, as we will all be celebrating you from here. We are celebrating you anyways, mothers. Happy Mother's Day to you. Thank you for watching us, and thank you for staying tuned. Subscribe to our channel, don't forget, it's very important to get more news and interesting gist from us. Subscribe to our channel, and you guys should stay tuned for more information and more gist on entertainment. Stay tuned.
Please subscribe to this channel. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Share this video. Subscribe to this channel. Tell your friends to subscribe to this